Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra 8 sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Two parts. Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Libra? Under the deck, Page of Wands, there is some communication is coming towards you, and one person is younger than the other person in this connection, and one person is very good looking. Yeah, communication regarding about commitment for some. I think there are some commitment issues between both of you. Yeah, there is some communication is coming towards you. I think your person may be immature. One person in this connection is immature, Libra. So let's see our reading in recent past. Three of Pentacles, Ace of Swords and King of Pentacles. I think there is no partnership between you and your person in recent past. You investing a lot in this connection, but your person not. That's why you decided to concentrate on your career, King of Pentacles. You're concentrating your abundance on your growth, and there is some communication is coming, was already came to you, maybe about your relationship. Maybe you want to express, your person want to express their true feelings to you. There was some type of communication was received by you from your person. I think you got clarity from that communication, Ace of Swords, regarding your person. And Three of Pentacles, I think there is no partnership, Libra. For some, your person want to offer partnership. They're willing to come back. Maybe they communicated with you that I want to be with you, that type of communication. But you are concentrating on your career. So let's see the present. Temperance, Knight of Wands and Death. Maybe you have some trust issues regarding this person because Knight's energy, because always Knights, there is no stability, consistency. You want to restore balance within you, and you want to take your power back, Libra. You are working on yourself, and you're undergoing some spiritual awakening also, Death. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or Capricorn especially. And future Ten of Wands, the World and the Devil. There is some, I think there is some dark energy in this connection. Maybe your person is toxic for you because they are in Knight's energy. They are in not King's energy. They are in Knight's energy. And Ten of Wands with the World. I think you have to do all the work in this connection. Maybe that is the one of the reason. Maybe they are obsessed with you. They are very dominating in this connection. And the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. That creates a lot of burden and in you. Yeah, this person is toxic for you, definitely. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Your person current feelings, Libra. Libra, your person current feelings. Two parts. Yeah, Seven of Swords, Four of Pentacles, King of Swords, Queen of Swords, sorry. I think your person has ego. Definitely there are some ego problems, and your person is sneaky. Maybe they are hiding something from you. They cheated on you, lied to you. For some third party situation also involved in this connection, because Seven of Swords with Four of Pentacles. They are not expressing their feelings. They are holding back here. Because Seven of Pentacles with Four of Pentacles and Queen of Swords energy. I think they don't want to communicate with you right now. They don't want to open up. With Four of Pentacles and Queen of Swords and Seven of Swords also, they're hiding something. They're sneaky. I think this person is toxic for you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Libra, your person near future actions towards you. Maybe they have options. Six of Swords. Six of Pentacles. Four of Wands, another deck. Yeah, they want this happiness with you, but I think they're playing games with you. They're playing mind games with you because they have option Seven of Cups. If they come back again, maybe they're manipulative. Be careful. You already know about your person clearly more than me. So Seven of Cups with Six of Pentacles, still they are in some confusion state, still they are unable to make any decision. And Six of Swords energy, maybe you decided to move on from this person, and definitely they want to communicate with you. For some it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. Yeah, that because Four of Pentacles with Six of Pentacles, they are holding back because there is no equal give and take. But now they're thinking about to offer equal give and take. And Six of Swords energy, so I'm not getting a positive energy from this connection, to be frank. So because your person is sneaky and holding back. And Four of Wands, again this could be twin flame connection also. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Maybe even though in near future they will come and offer equal give and take, but it is not about stability. So remind that. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. I'm seeing that they are playing games with you. They are very manipulative. Player take energy. Libra. Eight of Pentacles. Who maybe for some you person realize you both after the separation. Maybe for some, maybe you are in no contact situation, they realize you both. And the Fool with the sun, maybe they realized now you are their happiness, you are their sunshine. That's why they want to offer new beginnings with you, the Fool card. But it's too late. Ten of Swords with Knight of Cups. But you are in this energy, Libra. You are in so much pain. Still want rebirth in this connection. Still waiting for your person to come back. Yeah, you both are feeling sad for the separation. Five of Cups, the mutual card. There is separation and you both are thinking about each other a lot. Two of Wands energy. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Definitely they are coming back. Maybe after you separated, they realize you both. Yeah. When you decided it is over, it is not. They're coming back. They realize you both. Maybe they're in right now, there is some confusion, but they will get clarity. Then they're coming back to fix the things. But it will take some time because they're still there in some confusion. Still they are holding back. It will take time. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Libra. Yeah, Six of Cups is here. Definitely this could be, I think you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, reconciliation. You have strong emotions for your person, but they treated you as an option because they have options. Cold shouldering. Yeah, long-term commitment is coming. Yeah. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Four of Cups, they're feeling the missed opportunity with you. And 10 of Wands, right now your person may be busy with their career and family responsibilities. They're feeling overburdened. And Knight of Swords, yeah, some communication is coming. They want to fix the things and they're rushing towards to communicate with you, and they are stuck on you. They're stuck on you. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles, they want to share their life with you. Yeah, they're coming back. They realize you are their happiness. That's why they're coming back. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Libra. Communication is the key, and under the deck, show the world the real you. So if you are not showing your emotions or feelings or not expressing your feelings to anyone, so show the world the real you. And another card is especially new moon in Gemini. Communication is the key. If you have received communication from your person and communicate with love. So this is the message from universe. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.